The service brake system light is a critical safety warning that indicates problems with your vehicle's primary braking system. This is different from your parking brake light and requires immediate attention. Your brake system is a complex hydraulic network connecting the brake pedal to all four wheels. When the service brake light activates, it means this critical system has detected a problem that could affect your ability to stop safely. There are four main causes of brake system warnings. Low brake fluid accounts for 60% of all cases, usually caused by leaks in brake lines, calipers, or the master cylinder. Brake pad wear causes 25% of warnings. The light activates when your brake pads wear down to just 2 to 3 millimeters thick. ABS system malfunctions account for 10% of cases, while master cylinder problems represent the remaining 5%. Low brake fluid is the most serious and common cause. Your brake system relies on hydraulic pressure to function. When fluid leaks from brake lines, calipers, or the master cylinder, you lose braking power. The master cylinder is the heart of your brake system. It converts the force from your brake pedal into hydraulic pressure that travels through brake lines to stop your wheels. Never ignore the service brake system light. Brake failure can happen suddenly and without additional warning. When this light appears, pull over safely and address the problem immediately. Your safety depends on it. When your brake warning light activates, safety is the top priority. Immediately pull over to a safe location and assess the brake pedal feel and travel distance. Step 2 involves inspecting the brake fluid reservoir. Check the fluid level against the minimum and maximum markers and examine the fluid color and condition for signs of contamination. Step 3 requires a thorough visual inspection for brake fluid leaks. Check brake lines, calipers, and the area under your vehicle for any signs of fluid leakage or component damage. Step 4 involves assessing brake pad thickness. Compare your brake pads to determine if they need replacement. Worn pads can trigger the brake warning light and compromise stopping power. Step 5 uses an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. This electronic diagnosis can identify ABS system malfunctions and other brake-related issues that aren't visible during physical inspection. Based on your diagnosis, here are the appropriate solutions. For low brake fluid, add the correct type as a temporary measure, but remember to locate and fix the underlying leak. Worn brake pads require immediate replacement. Regular preventive maintenance is crucial for brake system reliability. Follow these recommended service intervals. Brake system inspections every 12,000 miles and brake fluid replacement every 24 to 36 months.